Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find Discord servers on mobile. Firstly, as you know, by typing on the left upper side on the three dots, here you can find out the servers that are interesting or that are related on your account. But you have another option for finding more popular Discord servers on your mobile. Firstly, get up from your application on Discord, go to your browser, and here you need to tap for Discord. And as you can see here on the first side, you have search Discord servers. Go click on it for directly changing to the main point of the page. Now here, as you can see on the search box, you can go and type the name that is related for example, gaming or technology. Never mind what it is. For example, we'll go with Forza. And here, as you can see, how many servers are related to this name. I will go for this one. Here you can find out the most popular servers that are related in this site, which is connected to Discord. Here you can find out the most popular servers from Discord site. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.